people? I'm back. Okay, yeah, I said I would make another video, and so I'm using this. Yes, this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use the Italy. I think I'm gonna use the Italy. Oh wow. Or is that torpedoes? Dang, okay. Smash. Oh, glad I died. Yippee. Ooh. Oh, should I go right now? Dang, okay. 15 seconds. Okay, people. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please, that'll be a big favor. And you know, I'm a small content creator, but one day I'm going to be a big creator. Holy cow, I go fast. Gotta go fast.
Hold your health.
Gotta go fast, fast, fast. Oh, I'm going faster than Sonic. This is yellow dog.
Dangerous shallows ahead.
Oh, shadows. Shadows. Well, yeah, cry about it. It's my ship, my rules. I get to control my ship, not you. Well, is there no one here? Seriously? Yeah, okay. Easy. That was easy. I got some torpedoes though. That's crazy. No way, it's a free island? It's a free island, guys. It's an actual free island. Wow. Does everyone have a slow boat or what, man? Like everyone has to have speedboats. At least one. Oh yeah. Easiest thing.
Dangerous shallows ahead.
Oh, whoa. What was that? Oh, no. Oh, snap. Oh, my.
Engine, full speed. Helm, midship.
Oh.
Helm midship. Aye. Dangerous shallows ahead.
Allied forces have captured a zone. Allied forces have captured a zone.
Port all. Hard port. Aye.
You've captured the zone, baby.
Collision alert.
Shut up.
Dangerous shallows
I
ahead.
know what I'm doing.
Boat. Port. 2,000 meters.
Oh, yeah.
Station.
Vector.
Direct hit.
Come on. Is it already dead?
Starboard your helm. Aye. Steer starboard. Torpedo. Away. Aye. Steer port.
Away.
Oh, yeah. Oh, snap! Vector time! Oh yeah! Vector! It's Vector time! If you know what I mean.
Hold your helm.
Oh, we're going up! Attack! Oh,
Direct hit. Dangerous shallows ahead.
oh,
Starboard.
oh, yeah!
Helm portal. Aye.
Oh.
Shield on target.
Oh, you messed with the wrong ship!
Shield on target.
If you messed with this one, you messed with. Oh, these are dead. Dang, okay. Attack! Oh, I'm gonna blow you up for torpedoes now. Oh, you already did. Oh, no. Idiots. Battle! It's only begun.
Enemy destroyed.
Let's go. Wow. Holy frick. That was crazy, man. Bro. Frick, yeah, man. Holy frick. That was freaking fun. This man. No, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. So, what? I have a whole freaking destroyer? Oh, I gotta play match. I have to play match, man. I have to, man. No way I'm not, man. No way. Oh, they also have speedboats. Damn, okay. I wanna spawn from here. Bro, I'm bringing this to battle. There's airplanes? What? Like you freaking solo cooked. There's airplanes now, which is wonderful. Bro, how am I
Secure the ship for
surviving
sea.
this, man? I'm dead.
Engines, flank speed.
Is that freaking too big?
Hold your helm.
Gunners. That is fucking too big guns. What the heck? Bro, if I fire one time. Nah. These are my freaking ships. Oh,
Starboard your helm.
Easy.
Target identified. Destroyer.
13,000 feet.
I have torpedoes, dude.
Action station. Enemy spotted.
What can I ask more? What can I ask more than freaking torpedoes? I should better go slow. Sure is gonna get hard to hit. Oh no. Oh, one. This is so fun.
Overshot.
Oh wow. go, go, go.
We're ahead of